Here's what you need to know about what is QoS. This is an exam topic in Domain 1, Networking Concepts. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Quality of service, QoS, is a set of techniques that prioritize certain types of network traffic over others. Without QoS, all traffic is treated equally, which means a large file download can slow down a VoIP call. QoS ensures time-sensitive traffic like voice and video always gets through with minimal delay. Key concept: traffic prioritization. QoS assigns priority levels to different traffic types. High-priority traffic like VoIP and video conferencing gets forwarded first. Low-priority traffic like file downloads waits in queue. Key concept: bandwidth and latency. Bandwidth is the total capacity of a link. Latency is the delay in delivering packets. QoS controls both, reserving bandwidth for critical apps and keeping latency low for real-time traffic. Key concept: traffic marking DSCP. Differentiated Services Code Point DSCP marks each packet with a priority value in the IP header. Network devices read the DSCP value and queue packets accordingly. Higher DSCP values get served first. Key concept: queuing and scheduling. QoS uses queuing algorithms like FIFO, WFQ, and CBWFQ to manage traffic flow. Priority queuing sends high-priority packets ahead of all others. Weighted queuing shares bandwidth fairly among traffic classes. Let's look at the full breakdown. Voice, VoIP. Priority: highest, DSCP F46. Needs low latency, low jitter. Video conferencing, priority high, DSCP AF4134. Needs consistent bandwidth. Business apps, priority medium, DSCP AF2118. Needs reliable delivery, file transfers, priority low, DSCP CS18. Needs best effort only. General browsing, priority default, DSCP B0. Needs best effort only. Here's a real-world example. A company runs VoIP phones and file backup software on the same network. Without QoS, nightly backups flood the link and cause choppy phone calls. After enabling QoS with voice priority, the phone calls are crystal clear even while backups run, because voice packets jump to the front of the queue. Quick recap before you go. 1. QoS prioritizes network traffic so critical apps get bandwidth and low latency. 2. Without QoS, all traffic is treated equally, causing voice-video degradation. 3. DSCP marks packets with a priority value read by routers and switches. 4. Queuing algorithms, FIFO, WFQ, CBWFQ, control the order packets are sent. 5. VoIP and video get highest priority, file transfers and browsing get lowest. That's what is QoS covered. Exam tip: know the three main QoS traffic concerns: bandwidth, capacity, latency, delay, and jitter, variation in delay. VoIP is most sensitive to jitter. Even small inconsistencies break voice quality. Next up, what is multicast? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.